Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, I'll explain about time intelligent function in DAX. So what is time intelligent function in DAX? We'll see in more detail here. Now basically DAX include time intelligence function that enable you to manipulate data using time periods, including days, months, quarters and years, and then build and compare calculation over those periods here. So here we'll see. Suppose they have given the sales over the time like in the year 2014, like from 1st Jan 2014 till 2015, 17, 18, 19 like that. So here how we compare the sales month wise, quarter wise, year wise total, and then we'll do the comparative analysis. We'll see in more detail here. So first we have to understand what is the total MTD. Total MTD stands for total month to date. It evaluates the value application for the month to date in the current context. For example, suppose today's date is 15th August. So MTD will calculate it from the 1st August to 15th August here. Now after the total QTD stands for quarter to date. It evaluates the value application for the dates in the quarter to date in the current context here. Suppose today's date is 15th August. So QTD will calculate from the 1st July, means actually first quarter starts from the January to March. After the second quarter start from April to April, May, June. That is second quarter. Third quarter is July, August, September here. So here if you're talking about the quarter, here it means first it's fall into the third quarter. That is 1st July to 15th August. That will be the total QTD in the particular third quarter here. Now next is the total YTD. It evaluates the value of expression for the year to date in the current context. For example, suppose today's date is the 15th August. So YTD will calculate from the total 1st Jan to 15th August. That is the total YTD in that year. Now what is the next time intelligence function? That is a date add. Basically it returns a table that contains a column of dates shifted either forward or backward in time by the specified number of interval from the dates in the current context here. Suppose here now August month is going on and we want to calculate the previous month, means July month sale here. So in that scenario we will use the date add function, or maybe like this is third quarter running August 15th. So we have to see the sales in the previous quarter. In that scenario date add function will be used here. So now here we'll see in more detail here. So this is my sales table, contains the order date, year, then date in the DDMMYY format, quarter, month, and this is the revenue. Now we will see here how to calculate the QTD, MTD, YTD, previous month sale, previous quarter sale, previous year sale, and the cumulative sale here. So let's start with the total MTD, means month to date sale here. So for that, click on this total measure. Total month sum is equal to total MTD sum sales revenue sales order date. Now we'll run this. Now we'll move this to this table here. We'll see. Now come to the focus mode here. Now we'll do some analysis here. If you see here, 1st Jan sale was 8351, 2nd January revenue was 14313. So if you're going for total MTD, it is just doing the sum of first and second here. Now 3rd January 28, again 28 added to 22 become 5705. Like 4th Jan 17 here, again 17713 added to 15705, total becomes 68418. Like that, it is sum is getting here. If you see here till 31st January 2015, here last value is 21,762 on the 31st Jan, and it have added. So total MTD is 585,312.65 here. Again on the 1st February, it is, if you see value here, 15012.18, here 15012.18 here. Again 2nd February it is 1850.90, and it is being added to the 1st February sale. Now 3rd February sale is 24844.61. Again it being added to this previous sum up like 33602.58 here. Like that here till 28th February it have been added here. Total so sum for the February month is 532,226.25 here. Again, for March month, we will follow the same process here. So we can see here 31st March, this is 643,436.10. Again, from 1st April, it initialized. So till 30 April, it follow the same process. Means for every month, it is sum is getting added here. So for one month, it is called as the MTD for that month only. Means for January means total sum of the revenue for the January month. That is the total MTD here. Now we'll go for the quarter. So total UTR sum is equal to total QTD sum sales revenue sales order date. We'll see total quarter sum here. As I said, quarter starts from the 1st January to 31st March, that is the first quarter. Again 1st April to 30 June, that is the second quarter. Like that it works here. So if we see here, this is the first day, this is the sum of the first two, means 22,664, that is the means first Jan, second Jan sale. This is the sum of first, second and third Jan. Like that it works here. Now till 31st January it is 585,312, which is same as the total means MTD here. Again, see in the total MTD it was getting initialized, means again it was starting from the first Feb. But again here the first Feb sale is added to the till 31st January here. So total is 600,324.83. Like that it works here. Now February here. On the 1st March again here if you see, this is the sum till 28th February. Again the 1st March revenue is getting added here. Like that it is. Now come to the 31st March 2015. This is the total sum from 1st January to 31st March, means sum of the revenue here. And again from 1st April it's initialized here. If you see a first April revenue is this one, so it is same as the means of April month. Again seeing the quarter, second quarter starts here, so again it's getting initialized here. Again from 1st April till 30th July, it will continue added here. See here. Now from 1st July again it's initialized that it quarter to date sum. So July, August, September. Means September 30th September, this is the sum. So like that it works. It means it will add the sum from 1st January to 30, 31st March. Again 1st April to 30th June. Like that it will add. So that is called the sum of the quarter, means quarter to date sum for a given quarter. Now in the same way we will do the sum for the total year. Total year sum, sum sales revenue, sales order date. We will move here total year sum. Now we'll see here. Previous to like MTD and QTD, we had seen that it is getting sum of the particular month and sum of the quarter. Here it is total year sum here. If we see here 1st Jan getting added here, 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan, like that. Now till 2000, see till 31st December 2015, this is the total sum revenue. Again 1st January 2016 it's initialized, means 1st January 2016 revenue was 24553.93, then it is the same. Again from 1st January 2016 it getting added here till 31st December 2016, this is the sum here. Now so we had seen what is the total YTD, means year to date revenues. Now next is the cumulative. Suppose they have given value from 2015, 16, 17, 18. So how will you accumulate all those sum? So we'll see here. That is calculate sum sales revenue. Now filter all sales order date, sales order date less than or equal to max sales order date. Here, this is the all. Why we use all? Cumulative total, sales of cumulative total that should not be hindered here. Suppose we are taking cumulative total of 10 days and I remove 5 days in the middle. So cumulative total completely failed here. So we have to make it in mute even. Even if I make changes in the order date, it should not be affected here. That's the reason for use of all after the sales order less than or equal to maximum sales order date. So this is the stop condition. Otherwise, it will keep accumulating the things and it will never stop. It will go into the infinite loop here. Now run it. So now we'll do the cumulative total here. We'll see here. Start from the 1st January 2015. Now come to the 31st December 2015. This is the means accumulated here 6404933, which is same as the YTD here. So again, if you see your YTD, it's again started from the 1st January 2016 year. But here again 24553 being added to this means 6404933. That is the total sum of the 2015. So again getting accumulated here. So this is the total sum of the revenue 2505334.16 here, which is same as the sum of revenue here. We can see here detail. Now suppose if it asking for the previous month's revenue, previous quarter revenue, previous year revenue, we can also do that thing here. So for that we will use the data function here. Data function I already explained in the beginning of the video. So here previous month sale is equal to previous month revenue is equal to calculate sum sales revenue now we'll use the data function here. Sales order date. Since it is previous month, so we'll use -1 month. Now we'll do the on this is previous month revenue. We'll move here in this table. If we see here, since our table start from 1st January 2015 here, so previous to that no value here. So that's why there is no value here till the 1st Feb here. Now if you see the first, this is the 1st Feb data here. So it's on the 1st Feb, it is showing the revenue of the 1st Jan here. Now same again, if we talk about the 2nd February here. So exactly on the 1 month back, this is the 2nd January revenue. Again this value is reflecting here, showing the previous month revenue on the same date here. So again this is 28041, that is 3rd February here. So this is the same as the 3rd January here. So like that it works to calculate the previous month revenue here. Now the same way we'll see the previous quarter revenue. So we'll copy here. So we'll change this to quarter. Oh, this is QUARTER. So now this is the previous quarter revenue. This measure will move to the table here. We'll see. What is happening? Now we have moved previous quarter revenue to this table here. So as I said, quarter start from 1st January to 31st March, that is the first quarter. Again from 1st April to 30 June, that is the second quarter here. So if you see here, 1st January 2015 till 31 March, there is no value, means no value. Again the 1st January 2015 revenue will start from here, that is the 1st April here. Like that it is. Means it is just showing the revenue value of revenue from the previous quarter here. Like that it is. This is. Now same way we'll calculate for the previous year of revenue. Now this is the year value we have passed, that is previous year revenue. Now this is the previous year revenue here. If we see here from 1st January 2015 till 31st December, no value at all. Now this is 835 and that is showing on the 1st January 2016 here. Now if we go here on the top, this is same as the 1st January 2015 value. Means all the value in the previous year revenue, all the value reflecting from the just 1 year back date. So now in the time intelligent function, we have explained about the means total months MTD sum, QTD sum, YTD sum. MTD stands for month to date, QTD stands for quarter to date, YTD stands for year to date. After the cumulative total, that is the previous month revenue, previous quarter revenue, previous year revenue. So this is all about the time intelligent functions. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.